Check out this beautiful 2002 Honda CR250. This is a bike that belongs to my friend Kyomi. He showed up at a track riding this beautiful bike that he built himself, and I just had to do that video and I had to show it to you guys because the bike is just beautiful. And don't forget, my friends, if you are working on a project like this, doesn't have to be full rebuild, but if you need any parts for your bike, go local first and support your local dealers in your city. And if you want to check what kind of inventory they have in stock, you can go on PureMoto.com. You can search the product you need and you can see your local shop. You see if they have it in a stock, and then you can just go and pick it up. You can ride the same day and your local dealer will be there tomorrow. Hey, what's up guys, I'm here with my friend Kyomi, and today I want to show you this beautiful build that he did. This is a 2002 Honda CR250 that you build by yourself without any help from any sponsors, nobody like that. So today actually guys, I want to talk a little bit about builds. Many of you are probably in the same situation that Kyomi, you were at. That you are doing everything, right?
I don't have any industry friends or any kind of discounts, but you know, I figured if I want to do this build right, I just, you just gotta, batten down the hatches and, buy retail.
Right. Yeah. You guys ask me many times if it makes sense to build a bike, and wouldn't it be better to take money and buy a brand new one? Yeah, for many of guys it would make more sense, but definitely not for Kyomi. And there is a lot of people like that. So can you tell me what was the reason why you decided to go ahead? First, tell us how much it cost you.
The bike I bought.
Don't worry, your wife will not watch.
Yeah, the bike I bought on Craigslist for $2,800.
Okay.
And I probably put about $8 grand into it.
Oh wow.
I bought a bunch of tie parts. Everything's retail, so I just basically went on like Motorsport or Moto stuff and just ordered the parts online and waited for them to come in. I thought it was pretty fun, ordering all the stuff.
Do you have some restyle plastic on it? What year is that? What do you need to get to?
Oh, that's the Polysport upgraded plastics that you can get for the older 2002s.
And they just bolt on?
Yeah, bolts right on. Yeah, no.
Oh, that's good.
Bolts right on, and then I got the graphics from Throttle Jockey. Put the graphics on myself, and then
for this front, you had to do different triple clamps.
Yes,
right?
I got the applied with the design upgrade for the 2018 to 2020 front fender and number plate. And then also what's nice is the 2020 fork covers and the rear brake guard and disc guard. They all fit.
Okay.
They all retrofit right on there, as well as the foot pegs. I got the tie foot pegs as well.
Yeah. So you got a bunch of titanium parts on this thing, and then a bunch of nice looking aftermarket that make this bike faster, better looking, lighter, and all that good stuff.
Yes.
Now, big thing I want to ask you, what was your motivation? What the kind of crazy do you have to be just to take an older bike and sink this much money in it? Like, tell me your motivation.
I wanted to have at least a taste or kind of a feeling of how a factory bike was back then. Because they all had, who doesn't want a factory bike? But I saw that 2002, and I'm like, you know what? I'm going to build it up try to make it as close to factory as I could.
Cool. Yeah. Cool. That's a good motivation. Yeah. Man, I think you did an amazing job. I love it. This thing looks amazing. It doesn't look 2002 at all. And another question is, how does it ride? How do you feel on it?
Oh, it's actually it's everything I wanted. It sounds great. It's a little lighter. I'm actually going to sell my 450 because this is going to be my main.
Oh, no kidding!
Yeah,
really?
It's going to be my main bike.
Okay, that's cool.
Yeah.
That's what we want to see. You build a bike and then you stay on it and you ride it. That's amazing.
Yeah, it's everything. It's not too crazy powerful, and
yeah, it's already cold. Do you think you can fire it up? See how it sounds? Would it be okay?
Sure. Yeah, go ahead and start it.
Okay. I have a lot of practice with kickstarting, so it should be fine. Smells like a race gas a little bit.
I do have
Yeah.
the C12.
Okay.
Yeah, I have the C12 in
Cool.
there.
Dude, that thing sounds good.
Yeah, you know, if anything, I always want to be, if you know, at least want to be. It's okay. Want to be a factory rider? It's okay.
How? What is your history? How long do you ride?
Oh, I started riding like '89.
Okay, so quite a bit.
Yeah.
Quite a bit. And you've been on these bikes before when they were 2002, back in 2002?
Yes, I actually had this same bike
Okay.
back then,
So
and
is
then
it
I sold it back then. I'm like, you know what? I want to get the same bike again. So
There you go.
Yeah.
Cool. All right. Well, guys, so there you go. It's a labor of love. It's something that you can do once or twice, and then keep the bike. Kyomi wants to ride it. He's selling his what is it? 2020 450 you have?
2018 450.
2018 450. He has CR 450, really nice looking bike. So you're gonna sell that,
Yeah.
and he will keep a 250 CR 250 2002 that he built with his own hands. And yeah, it costs some money, but it's a labor of love. So it's hard to put number on that, right?
Yeah, exactly.
It's hard to put number on that. All right. Well, thanks a lot for the interview.
Yeah, you're
Appreciate
welcome.
it.
Yeah, you're
You
welcome.
did an amazing job.
Oh, thank you.
And you guys don't forget, whatever you do, stay motivated. See you later. Cool.